Hey everyone, good morning and welcome to my channel. Today we look at the EURUSD trade setup for 18th of April and just want to look at how the yesterday's trade went by. And yesterday I gave a trade for shorting the EURUSD at 1.098 and boom, it went right away down without even 5-10 pips drawdown. So that was really good trade and I hope you'd have taken it. And I asked to take a profit somewhere here where there was a support. So it was at 1.092. So roughly it's like 60 pips on the first day of the week, starting off with a 60 pip profit. That was a really good one. So I hope everyone would have closed the positions by now because EURUSD has been starting to rise again. We'll come back on the chart and look at it in detail, but before that we'll look at the economic calendar, what's lined up for today, and then we'll come back on the chart. So for today's calendar from US, we got this building permits, and this is one of the big important news for today. And this actually tells that whether the how many people are there in the market to buy houses and things. And we got some news from the Canada as well. Since we are not going to look at the Canada trading, I'm going to skip that. And apart from that, not much of news from the US. Just an FOMC member speaks later in the day at 1 o'clock. So this is an big news for today and might have a bit of movement, but I'm not really sure that it'll have any big impacts on that. So heading back to Euro USD, as you can see, going into the 4-hour chart, it's just still maintaining the trend line sort of, and looking to it kind of found support here, the 1.092 region. Earlier it was a support and a resistance, and now it became a support. And as you can see, it touched and reverted back, going up the chart, and it's heading toward another support or resistance region now at 1.1, psychological resistance region, and also the 1.102. So this was the previous high that EURUSD touched in early Feb. So after that, we have one more resistance coming up at 1.107. This was a high that EURUSD made a couple of days back, or rather it was on Friday last week. So a couple of resistance regions there, 1, 2, and 3. And even if it comes down, we got a support here and a rising trend line. So looking at the technical wise, EURUSD is going to go up. But as I said, there are a couple of resistances coming up very close to where it's currently trading in. So trade setup for today will be go long from where it is currently trading, 1.097, and then close it off once it's close to 1.1. So it's roughly like 20-25 pips. So close it off and just stay for today. So you don't need to trade it daily and then wait for like take 60-100 pips. So as of now, the setup isn't really clear. So I'll just say go long from here, close off in 20 pips, and we'll just wait for how the building permit comes, and then we'll have a clear path on that. So on a short term, the traders are like 45%, 50-50 between long and short. So when looking at this one, as you can see, 45% is bullish and 44% is bearish. So kind of contradictory, is like not a clear picture whether it's going long or going shorting the EURUSD, and few are like sideways. So that's on a weekly basis, but on a monthly basis, so majority of the traders are shorting Euro USD because we have an FOMC meeting coming up in the early May, and we're expecting the interest rate to be hiked maybe 25 or 50 basis points. So on that basis, all the like 60-65% traders are going short on Euro USD. But as of now, we'll just look at the trade for today. So as I said, just go long from where it is currently trading, and once in your 20 pips, close it off or move your stop loss so that even if it comes down, your trade is closed in profit. So that's all for now. And if you have any questions, please post it in the comment section, and please like and subscribe the video, as well as share the video if you like it. Otherwise, that's all for now. Happy hunting pips, and we will meet in a new video tomorrow. Thanks everyone. See you.